Before you can build anything in Power BI, you need to install Microsoft Power BI Desktop in your machine if you haven't done so. The good news is that Power BI Desktop app is completely free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire installation process step by step. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything you need. You will need to have a Windows PC or laptop, a stable internet connection, and a Microsoft account which is completely free to create if you don't already have one. And the best part, you need zero technical knowledge to do so. There are two ways to install Power BI Desktop. And before I walk you through both, I want to reassure you that either method would get you to exactly the same place. There is no wrong choice here, so just go with whichever feels more natural for you. The first method is downloading Microsoft Power BI Desktop directly from the Microsoft website at powerbi.microsoft.com. This is a route I personally recommend for most beginners. You visit the website, click download, run the installer file, and Power BI Desktop is on your machine. It is a simple and familiar process, the same way you will install any piece of software in your machine. Nothing complicated, nothing technical. The second method is through the Microsoft Store. If you have ever downloaded an app on your phone, you will feel exactly the same. You need to open Microsoft Store on your Windows machine, search for Power BI Desktop, click on Get, and then install the application. What I particularly like about this method is that it automatically updates in the background whenever Microsoft releases a new version. And trust me, they release updates every single month. So if you are someone who doesn't want to think about keeping the software up to date, the Microsoft Store method might be the better option for you. Now I am going to walk you through both methods right now on the screen step by step. Follow whichever one works for you. So we'll start with the first method, which is a website download. So we need to open the browser, and then we need to go to powerbi.microsoft.com. Then we need to click on Product, followed by Power BI, followed by Power BI Desktop. So you need to navigate down where it's written Advanced Download Options. You click on Advanced Download Options. Then you need to select your language and click on Download. So once you click on Download, Power BI Desktop will start downloading. Now if I go to Downloads, I will see the Power BI Desktop setup, which has already been downloaded. I double click on it. So I click on Run, choose on the language, click on Next. Click on Next again, accept the terms and conditions. Choose the destination folder and click on Next. So ask it to create a shortcut in your desktop and click on Install. So it's going to take it. Once the file has been installed, the following screen would appear. Click on Launch Microsoft Power BI checkbox and click on Finish. So by doing so, it's going to open Power BI Desktop. We will now consider the second method, which is getting Power BI Desktop from Microsoft Store. So firstly, we need to click on the Windows Start button and search for Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and then search Power BI Desktop. Click on Get. The file is being prepared to be downloaded. So now the installation has started. As you can see, the approach is very different compared to the first one, which was from the getting the Power BI desktop file from the website. Once installation has been completed, it would show as open instead of get. So once you click on open, it's going to open the Power BI desktop up in your local machine. Once Power BI desktop has been successfully installed and it has been launched from the installation, the following screen would appear. So firstly, you would see a sign in button. So this one is optional for now, but we require it at a later stage before publishing the report online. Then we can see the ribbon at the top. So it gives various functionality like getting the data, importing your Excel workbook, transforming your data, or using the Copilot. Secondly, on the extreme right hand side, you can see the data panel. Any data which will be imported would appear under the data panel. Then we have the visualization panel. So from here, you will be able to select any visualization which you want to create and also change the setting for a particular visualization. Next, we have a filters panel. So here, users will be able to apply any filter which is required. On the extreme left-hand side, firstly, we have a report view, which we are currently in, followed by the data view. So from here, any data which will be loaded will appear under a table. And thirdly, we have the model view, where we can create relationships. You now have Power BI Desktop installed and ready to go. In our next video, we are going to take a proper tour of the interface together. Every panel, every button, every view. And don't forget, if you are learning Power BI or working with data in any way, this channel is for you. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification so that you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.